Hello guys, welcome back to another beautiful video. Today I want to show you how I make two different types of chicken, cornstarch and without cornstarch. Okay, so in here I have my chicken already and I'm going to wash it with hot water and white vinegar as usual. So in this clay bowl, I have powdered ginger and I have garlic powder as well. I have Chinese 5 spices and also black pepper, which I'm going to use it to marinate my chicken. Right, so I have my bowl here. I'm going to transfer back the chicken. Then I can dry them with paper. Yeah, kitchen paper. You understand? So that all the excess water will dry up. So this will help the spices to penetrate very well. That is why you need to clean the excess water so that your chicken will be more crispy and yummy. Right, so here I'm adding my spices, which is ginger, garlic, Chinese 5 spices, and AROMAT. No salt. You can add salt if you want. Alright, so now I will set it aside and cover it for 30 minutes before it will go inside the oven. Right, so now my cornstarch, I have to get it ready. That is what I'm going to use it to coat the chicken. Like I said, it's two different types. The first one will be with the cornstarch and the other one will be without cornstarch. Yes, guys. You can also use plain flour, or you can also add half cup of plain flour with the cornstarch. That will be also perfect. Okay, so after 30 minutes, I'm going to add cooking oil. I forgot to add it previously, so I'm going to add it now because it's ready to go inside the oven, guys. I can't wait. The aroma in this house is getting me hungry already. Thank you all for my subscribers, my new subscribers, my return subscribers. I thank you all so much. And please, if you are watching the video till now, what are you waiting for? Please support your girl. Just subscribe and share my videos. Okay guys, so this is the first batch coated with the cornstarch, and it will go inside the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Then it should be done. Okay, this is the first batch. This is how it looks like. Oh, it tastes so delicious and so crunchy, guys. If you try this recipe, just give me a comment and let me know how you feel about it. All right, guys, our chicken is perfectly done, and now let's go ahead and do our regular grilled chicken without any cornstarch or flour. Okay, so on the same baking pan, I'm going to put all the chicken on it and put it inside the oven for another 30 or 35 minutes. This will take, I think, 25 minutes. Yes. That's how it looks like in the oven. It looks so beautiful and delicious already. So guys, I'll give it a beating and come back again and take them out. This oven has been doing a lot in this house. Guys, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay, our regular chicken is also perfectly done. Oh my god, I think I prefer this one. Yes, because I sometimes love my chicken and benku and hot pepper. So I think I prefer this one more. But the first one is also not bad at all. If you try this recipe, guys, just give me a comment and let me know. Okay, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the coated cornstarch or without cornstarch or flour, regular grilled chicken? Just let me know. Imagine sitting under the sun with this chicken and your chilled cola with ice. Oh my god, or your favorite drink. Come on, guys. My house is smelling so delicious. I want you to try this recipe. Seriously, it tastes so great. Like I said, both of them taste so great. So now I'll go ahead and taste the one I coated with cornstarch. Look at this. It's so delicious. And now let's taste the other one too. It's also perfect. Thank you guys for watching till now. God bless you and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.